What's up, everybody? It's Uso back again with another video. All right, guys, I got a $60 session. The last three from the machine: 2, 1, and 000. All right, and these guys go backwards. So I know most of you guys know this game. It's a matching game. If you find that money bag or that sack, it's $100 instantly, or the 20x, 20 times the prize. Odds is 1 in 3.10. All right. Okay, we're gonna roll Fancy Nancy. Come on. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. Okay, 46, 44, 3, 23, 13. Okay. All right. So no symbols. Come on. Let's get a match. 26. That was 11. 19. 29, 39, 49 is 48. 21. Deuce. Number 6. Negative. All right. Come on, Fancy Nancy. Come on. It's number 1. So no symbols. I don't see any duplicate numbers. Or maybe I'm just blind. Come on. GQR's 29. That was on the last ticket. Number 3 also was on the last ticket. Go to 16. Hawaii 5-0 was on the last ticket. 37. Come on, baby. Come on. Lucky 13. Nope. Tennessee. Oh, boy. All right. Last ticket. Last chance. 000. Come on. Got all the 9s on here, all except 29 and Nancy's 9. Oh, right there, that's 29. Speaking of the devil. I don't just need Fancy Nancy's 9. Possible winner. Hawaii 5-0. Money bag. No money bag. Ay, ay, ay. Come on, we need a match. It's the last ticket of the session, man. Let's go. 32. Bam. Clutch corner. 25. Jedi's 25. Oh. Tennessee. Bam. Tennessee right there. And lucky 7. 28. 348. Hawaii 5-0. Woohoo! Probably a $30 winner. That's okay, we'll probably get half back. It's better than nothing. 23. Uso and Mrs. Amanda's 23. Negative. Alright, so we got the Hawaii 5-0, Tennessee, and Clutch Corner 32. Alright, let's check out Hawaii 5-0 first. Oh. Just got AZ'd. We just got AZ'd. And Clutch Corner. $10 for it. Okay, I'm missing one. Just for being AZ'd. Ah, boy, oh boy. Okay. This is 29.6, 47.12, 44. Oh, we had two 32s. Yep. We just got AZ'd. Oh boy. Alright, so out of our $60 session, the last 3 tickets from the machine, Black Box Special came up with $20. Alright. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys all on the next video. Alright.